quickly go across to that. In fact, the update is that 10 police personnel, including the Inspector Sridhar, Sub-Inspector Raghu Ganesh, arrested in connection with the matter, are being questioned by the Human Rights Commission at the Madurai Central Prison, where they are lodged. Let me go across to Sanjeevi joining us with the details. Sanjeevi, the questioning is on as we speak, we are told.
Well, exactly, Ranjan. 10 policemen, including the Sridhar, inspector of ex-inspector of Sathagulam station, and the prime accused SI Raghu Ganesh and also Balakrishnan, who are known to be notorious sub-inspectors of the Sathagulam station, who were already involved in such kind of activities before on the line of police brutality, is being questioned by the officials of the NHRC right now. Remember, the State Human Rights Commission and also the National Human Rights Commission has been watching this whole case since the beginning of the since it came out on the media in a big way. So since then, the Human Rights Commission have also sought a report from the Tamil Nadu government, including the Home Secretary, the DGP, and also from the SP of the Thoothukudi district. And now they've taken 10 people into the custody, and now they have been questioned by the Human Rights Commission on what basis they have been doing it. And on the other hand, the CBI also questioned 5 of the people from the 5 accused from the case, including 1 inspector, 2 SIs, and 2 constables for 2 days. So they were in the custody of the CBI for 2 days, and they've been also taken to the police station, and enactment also was done. So the report will be submitted soon, is what we have been hearing. But now we can say that the Human Rights Commission is questioning 10 accused, including the 5 prime accused who were involved in the brutality of Jairaj and Phoenix, which happened at Sathagulam police station of Thoothukudi. Niranjan.
Thank you for joining us with those inputs. As we speak, the questioning is on. Sanjeevi getting us the details of how 10 police personnel, including the inspector and the sub-inspector of the station, where Phoenix and Jairaj were tortured and left to die. They were heading that station. They are being questioned, 10 of them in all, by the Human Rights Commission at the Madurai Central Prison. Thank you, Sanjeevi.